back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today, a nice little easy one. It is my asparagus and cheese pastry puffs. A really good little dish for an entree or just as an entertainer type bit. Right, asparagus is in season. Fantastic. Just cut off the woody ends like I'm doing right there. You can actually feel it and you can snap them if you want. I just use a knife and roughly gauge it. Here I've got some nice streaky style bacon, just a couple of slices, right, and all I'm simply going to do is cut those in half, and this makes all the flavour difference. It really does. One sheet of thawed out puff pastry. It's just a frozen puff pastry that you buy from the supermarket. Just get that roughly measured in half, like something like that, and just cut this into quarters, right, so straight down in half, roughly measure again, and straight down again, just like that. Alright, so here I've got some grated pecorino cheese. You could use parmesan if you like. I'm just going to use the pecorino. It's what I normally buy. It's got a different funky flavour to it, being a sheep's cheese. I'm just going to put that diagonally from one corner to the other, just like that. I'm going to add in just 2 pieces of asparagus for now. And as I said, the asparagus is in season at the moment. Really nice to use fresh produce like this. I'm going to top that with a little Mexican cheese blend. You could use normal tasty if you want to do that. That is completely up to you. So just sprinkle that straight over the top. How easy is this? Now we get to play arts and crafts. All we simply have to do is get those 2 corners, wrap them around the asparagus. Make sure you don't keep the paper or the plastic on there. It does not taste that nice at all. Believe me, I've accidentally tried it. So there's our first one. We're simply just going to continue along and do the rest. They're not going to take very long to make these at all. Now my oven is already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, because we're going to bake these. It's the easiest way to do it. So once again, normal cheese over the top, fold your corners over like that, and that is done. Now all I've got here is my baking tray with a bit of baking paper on there. I'm just going to get a little bit of an egg wash, which is just an egg beaten with a tiny little bit of water, maybe a tablespoon's worth of water per egg. Brush that over the top. A little bit of freshly ground black pepper. It's going to give it that real nice little peppery type flavour. A little bit of sea salt flake over the top of that again, and that's all there is to it. That's how easy this is. We're going to put that in the oven around about 20 minutes or until it looks something like that. The asparagus will actually cook in the oven. There's no need to preheat or pre-cook your asparagus beforehand. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make a quick little snack just like this, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Right, off to eat my asparagus and cheese pastry puffs, and I will catch you next time.